Sir, ma'am, in the YouTube company of Google company, this is only my cell phone. I have only one cell phone. I have only one channel. That is Ferdinand Leo official channel. So that you know to protect me against theft people in the Philippines, entire the world. That is scattering around the world to distribute their theft activities to other person, to other nationality. So be careful of this kind of people who are moving around the world to attract you to become theft person also, guys, in the whole world. I have a little mic in front of me. Guys, just type Ferdinand Leo official channel. I-type nyo lang ang Ferdinand Leo official channel kung hanapin nyo ako sa YouTube. It's already evening here in Baguio City. I'm here in Baguio City working here. I'm not ashamed to tell you that I'm a former drama talent also here before year 1994 to 2001. I'm a radio talent. So that and my name is Ferdinand Leo.
Bagsulanda, Urano Granadanda, sa anak to amapasa. Uray anyat ibagbagada, uray anyat pamuputenda, uray anyat araramidenda, sa anak to amatumba. Espiritu Santo, kung gunay dito'y biyag ko, uray awan mangayat kanyak, adalata ni Jesu Cristo. Isuti kalasag ko, isuti manubot ko, isuti among kadis ko, armas ko ray sa dino. Bagsulanda, Urano Granadanda, sa anak mo amapasa. Uray anyat ibagbagada, uray anyat pamutputenda, uray anyat aranidenda, sa anak mo amatumba. Espiritu Santo, agmunyan itibiyag ko, uray awan magayat kanya, adalata ni Jesu Cristo. Isuti kalasag ko, isuti manupit ko, isuti among kadis ko, armas ko uray sa dino. Isuti kalasag ko, isuti manabot ko, isuti among kadis ko, armas ko sa dino, armas ko sa dino, armas ko sa dino. Thank you guys for watching. That is a Christian song. See you in the next video, and I'm not afraid and I'm not ashamed to tell you that Jesus Christ is my God, no more or less. Anong tawag niyo sa anak ng Diyos? Di Diyos. Anong tawag niyo sa anak ng pusa? Di pusa. It's very simple to understand kung di niyo naunawaan. Ewan ko. Bye guys, I love you all mga chup chup.